Liad, Weighing and Control Systems. PelletSave is a centralized gravimetric blending and feeding system designed to be used with multiple raw materials and processing machines, providing a complete factory-wide solution. Instead of the time-consuming and inherently inaccurate method of manually preparing batches, instead of countless, costly batch blenders spread throughout the factory requiring constant attention, Liad is pleased to announce the ultimate solution, PelletSave. PelletSave is a completely modular system specifically engineered and tailored to meet a customer's needs. The PelletSave system consists of intermediate raw material hoppers, a weighing hopper, a mixer, a dispenser, and buffer bins for the mixed material. By means of a centralized mechanical feed system combined with innovative control software, the PelletSave system is able to weigh out and prepare the precise mixture required and transport it to each of a factory's production machines according to each machine's job order. At the top of the PelletSave system sit the raw material hoppers, one hopper for each type of material. There can be up to 12 of these hoppers holding 12 different raw materials. The Liad vacuum system automatically fills the hoppers directly from raw material silos. The vacuum system is comprised of powerful vacuum pumps, a central filter, valves, and pipes, all administered by Liad's sophisticated control system. At the base of the PelletSave system are the buffer bins. Anywhere from 8 up to 50 dedicated buffer bins hold the batches of mixed material, one bin for each of a potential 50 production machines. When the level of raw material in the buffer falls below the sensor, PelletSave begins preparing an additional batch of material for that buffer's designated machine according to that machine's specific recipe. Each ingredient is discharged in turn from its intermediate hopper. The ingredients are discharged into the weighing hopper, which is equipped with 3 hanging load cells. PelletSave's controller predetermines the recipe ingredient combination for each of the factory's production machines. The relative quantity of each component is derived from this predefined recipe. After each component has been weighed and the batch is ready for mixing, it is deposited by the weighing hopper into a powerful mixer where it is transformed into a homogeneous batch. At the same time, the dispenser, which can turn 360 degrees, settles over the appropriate production machine's buffer bin. When mixing is complete, the batch is conveyed by the dispenser to the machine's buffer bin. The buffer now contains a ready batch. Under the direction of the Liad controller, a centralized vacuum system conveys the prepared batch to the appropriate machine. The recipe is now completed by the Liad ColorSave dosing unit, which adds the precise quantity of master batch or additive required by the recipe. Transport of the raw materials from the storage silos through the PelletSave system is entirely automatic with no need for human intervention. PelletSave includes a sophisticated software package that enables comprehensive control of raw material consumption and formulation for an entire plant. The software enables complete control over the operation of PelletSave. PelletSave easily interfaces with the production floor management system, allowing the management system to communicate with and to control the PelletSave system, including the centralized material transport system and the ColorSave dosing units. If no management system is in place, then the Liad View monitoring software can control PelletSave, manage recipes, and monitor material consumption by means of a standard PC. PelletSave significantly reduces installation costs compared with similar dosing systems, allows for the use of up to 12 raw materials per formula, and can feed up to 50 injection molding, extrusion, or blow molding machines concurrently, provides a single comprehensive solution for all types of production machines, large and small, affords greater accuracy and superior batch homogeneity, has sophisticated software controlling the formulation, blending, and mixture assignments, eliminates the need for manual intervention when changing jobs and mixtures, provides easy and reliable central data collection that enables the tracking of all materials for each job, has a simple, robust mechanical structure with few moving parts compared to conventional systems. For more information, visit our website at www.liad.co.il.